everyone, it's Pixel, and as the new year is finally here, we are going to keep up with our tradition to eat ham, collard greens, and black-eyed peas with this lovely soup called New Year's Lucky Stew. And for that, we're going to need 2 cans of black-eyed peas, 4 cups of chicken broth, a can of fire-roasted tomatoes or the hot ones if you prefer that, about a half a pound of ham diced, about a half a pound of collard greens shredded, a large carrot diced, medium onion diced, about a teaspoon of thyme, pepper, and salt, 6 cloves of garlic, and a good tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We also have some bacon grease to get it started cooking, but that's already in our pot. So let's go. Okay, to start off with our bacon grease, and I've left a little bit of our bacon in there, we're going to put in our medium onion and our carrot. We're going to let that saute up for a good 10 or 15. After those have softened up a good bit, we're going to add in our spices, our garlic, our diced ham, our collard greens, and our can of tomatoes. We're going to mix that together thoroughly, let the collard greens cook down, so give it another good 10 or 15. And once that's cooked down, we're going to be adding in our apple cider vinegar and 1 of our cans of black-eyed peas. We'll once again then that a couple more minutes to warm up with the rest of it. Okay, we've already added in our other can of beans with the juice, and the last thing to do is put in our 4 cups of broth. And after I give this a quick stir, we're going to put the cover on and cook it for the next 45 minutes on a nice medium-low heat. And about 45 minutes to an hour later, your soup should look like this. It smells amazing. So now you know what we gotta do. We gotta try it. Be right back. Well, here is our soup. It's all done. Smells amazing. Trying to get a little bit of everything. Here we go. Well, hope it's good. Well, I gotta say, I almost didn't stop eating it. It has such a good savory flavor. It is a little salty because, well, you know, the ham and the bacon grease and stuff. But it's a great flavor. I do think I would cut up my collard greens a tiny bit smaller because every once in a while I'll get a really big bite of one and it'll just hang off the spoon like, hey, remember me? And I'm like, yeah, I do, sort of. Now, this is a really good combination of our New Year's feast and a nice, warm, hearty soup, especially for when it's still cold out like it is today. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, want to make it, have made it, you know, think I did something totally wrong with it, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and you have a wonderful 2025. And stay tuned for more cooking this year. Yay! Laters.